Good morning everyone, welcome back to Ben and Holly's Sleep Pocket Benches! Where are we?
We're in front of Nemesis.
We're back at Alton Towers, aren't we? We're down in Forbidden Valley. We're going to check out all that's changed on Nemesis since we last saw it. It's still Scarefest. This will be our second Scarefest vlog. We're not going to check out all the scare mazes this time. If you want to see our full reviews of that, check out our full Scarefest vlog that we did earlier in the month. That is on the channel if you've not seen it already. But yeah, we'll come back to Scarefest and we're going to check out Nemesis first of all, and then yeah, we're going to check out Burial Grounds in the light, aren't we? Because we never did that last time. We only did it in the dark. So yeah, we're going to go through Burial Grounds again and put a full POV in, a walkthrough of that.
And Myk and Stacey are here.
Yeah, we're going to meet up with Myk and Stacey. I think the Bears Escape are here, coasting with the Joneses. There's quite a few people here. Lee's here as well. So yeah, come with us guys. Let's check out Alton Towers Scarefest 2023. Yeah. Let's go. Holly, and it's got the veins on it, so that's cool, isn't it?
Was the veins printed on?
I think they've been painted, yeah.
They look painted.
So yeah, there's the station. The station's looking nice now. The head's still missing on there. I think we're going to see either like an animatronic there or maybe a big eye. Because yeah, they took the front of the station off and the back actually where the tail is. You can't see it from here, but you can see it when you're on the monorail.
An animatronic would be good.
What? You don't think an animatronic would be good?
Because they stop after time, don't they?
No, they'll do it good so that it'd be right where that zero-G roll is over the station. I think there'll be like some near-miss element with like the eye or something like trying to grab you. Yeah, that'll be cool. So yeah, let's go up onto the observation platform and have a look from up there. There's also been some plans submitted for the Edge arcade over there, Holly. I don't know if you've seen them, but yeah, they've submitted plans to redevelop that as well. So maybe that's going to be like the new Nemesis shop or something. So that could be exciting.
I think I'll keep the t-shirt thing.
No, but Coasting with the Joneses have got a competition on how you can win one, because they've won two now. So they're giving one away on their channel. Yeah, let's get back up onto the platform and have a look. There you are, Holly, look. See, the entrance structure's been painted all black now. You could probably see it better from down there, but the fence is too high.
You think they're doing the blood?
The waterfalls? Hopefully, yeah, hopefully they'll do the blood waterfalls again. But yeah.
The shoes.
I wonder if we're going to find out more at fireworks.
Imagine seeing all of these shoes again.
Shoes floating down the waterfalls?
Yeah.
Yeah, people's shoes did used to fall off on this ride a lot, to be honest. So yeah, it's looking really good, isn't it, Holly?
Do you think they're going to paint that up?
What, the gun?
Yeah,
I think so. I think that will have a nice renovation.
They'll have to close it because there'll be stuff all around.
Yeah, but just remember, the park closes in like 3 weeks, so they've got all that time then to start doing all the cosmetic work and making this area amazing. You may come back and find Galactica a completely different colour. That'd be exciting, wouldn't it?
Do you think Subterra is going to be closed when it opens?
No, I think they'll keep Subterra for a bit, to be honest. Subterra's only on a 45-minute talking to Subterra, Holly. Last time we did it, what was it on when we did it last time? 10 minutes? And it was practically, oh, careful. It was practically walk on. But yeah, it's busy on park today. It's a sellout day, so it's going to expect it to be really busy. I don't know how many rides we'll get done. What did you say?
I'll do it if you get me an ice cream.
Yeah, I bet you will, yeah. Myk and Stacey, I don't think have done Subterra since it reopened, so maybe you can do it with them.
And an ice cream.
Look at this, Holly. Got a 40-minute queue for the Curse. This is crazy. 40 minutes.
That is that dungeon.
Alright.
Hello.
Hi, love, you alright?
How you doing?
Good to see you, thanks.
Good. Good to see you too. Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Hello.
This is Tansy. Have you
Hello,
met
Tansy. High five.
Emily's doll, this.
Emily's doll.
Yeah, she's
Lovely
good.
doll.
Came asleep, came awake overnight, you know, yeah.
Oh, look, she can dance as well.
She's a dancer,
Very,
does.
very good, yeah. Very
Coming
good.
to the party tonight?
Oh, we'll be here, yeah.
Oh, will you? That was good, isn't it?
I hope we'll come out alive.
See you later then.
See you later.
Happy New Year.
Take care. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Queue goes right up here, Holly. This is crazy. Yeah. Luckily, we're not planning on riding Curse right now, given that it's been practically walk on all season, and now you've got this queue. Really good though. Nice to see. Still got the smoke effects on in the queue line. But yeah, we'll definitely come back when it's dark, won't we? Get the atmosphere.
No.
Yeah. Really good. It's like opening day all over again. So just heading onto the lawns to find Myk and Stacey. They said they're over here. So yeah, let's go. It's so busy on park today, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's sunny.
Hey, look at the big set they've got set up over there. Look, what's that?
That might be part of
I wonder if that's for the fireworks. I don't. Part of what?
Nemesis.
It's nothing to do with Nemesis. Sure. No, I don't think so. I think maybe. It looks like it's some sort of like viewing area. I'm not really sure. Comment down below if you know what that is over there, that big tent thing. Yeah, no idea.
The VIP bit where you sit in.
Maybe, yeah, but I'd rather be outside if it is. I don't know. We'll get up and have a little closer look in a bit. I spot Myk and Stacey and the Joneses. Here they are. Hey. Hello.
She's literally just said.
We alright? So just looking at Daz Games, best of the fest, Holly. 34 seconds, I think that says. Someone's got out in 34 seconds. So you can do it in 34 seconds?
Well,
It's a big waste of your cash though, isn't it, if you get out that quick?
I think I got both of mine last time, the first time I did it.
You did get them both, yeah, but you didn't get out.
So I beat you. If I got out...
Well, I got both of mine when I was in with you and Emily, and I couldn't get out because we was pushing the wheelchair and you two wouldn't let me get out. No, it was you. You didn't want to be on your own. So yeah, 34 seconds, that's impressive though, I have to say. So, the queues around the park are massive, but the only ride we can get walk on is carousel, so we'll do the Royal Carousel. And the Sizzler, yeah. Holly, what's your royal title?
Madam Hickory Bottom.
It's pronounced.
Madam Hickory Bottom.
It's pronounced.
Love it. Hang on, you're finding mine now.
Blingdon. Bottom.
Count Blingdon Bottom. Comment down below your royal title. I've got a rocking horse. What does your horse rock, Holly?
Yours goes up and down.
Ah, yours is an up and down one. Nathaniel's got a rocking one. What's yours doing? Rocking? It's rocking. Darcy's does nothing.
Does yours don't move?
Yeah, it does. Look, it does move.
Yeah, only that.
Yeah, she's rocking.
I've got more control over this thing.
Absolutely not.
With an on-ride POV of the Royal Carousel.
With extra bounce.
I find it, Holly. Nathaniel. No phones on the ride, please.
Sit up straight.
Secure all loose articles. He is too cool, isn't he? He's just texting while he's riding the carousel. Is your horse behaving? Mine's a wobbly horse.
Are you sure you haven't done this before? That's a perfect canter.
Perfect canter? Darcy's falling off.
But I just hold this. No.
You done it?
What is that?
What, today?
Yeah, this morning.
You enjoy it?
So I at the end, when they all got in the lift, I switched to the other one. I just freak them out.
Hello. You okay? Rumour has it you can do the worm. Hey!
I can't do that.
Excellent, thank you. Got the ancestors gathering, Holly. So we're going to get a nice flash mob in a minute, yeah? We like the flash mob, don't we?
Exactly.
Hello.
Hello, you alright?
Very well, thank you. Are you?
Yes, good, thank you. Hello!
Hello. Are you okay?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Scary man?
Very scary. He looks angry.
After food! Ow! Little behind you.
Spirits of the dead.
Ancestors, Holly?
Yeah.
Really good, wasn't
I
it?
took photos of them.
You did take a lot of photos, didn't you? Using my phone, weren't you? Yeah, really good show that is. I think I prefer it here than on Tower Streets in front of like the towers and stuff. I think it's better atmosphere and they've got more space, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But he nearly fell on me. Falling on the floor.
The one with the flat cap on. Bit like a ghost. You said he looked like a ghost train actor, didn't you? Yeah, really good show. We're going to watch the one on the main stage later as well, because that's good. That's when the two groups of ancestors all come together, isn't it? So yeah, we do love the Alton Ancestors. Highlight of Scarefest.
Yeah.
So where we're heading now, Holly?
Mine tours.
Yeah, we're going to go and do mine tours, aren't we? Those guys have just gone to do trick-or-treat time. We're not doing trick-or-treat time because we did it last time, didn't we? We didn't do it on the last vlog, but we came on the Sunday and we did it. And it's a good attraction, isn't it? But we don't need to keep doing it. So we want to do mine tours again, don't we? Because that was probably our favourite maze, wasn't it? Out of all of them. We've done Daz twice. So yeah, we want to go and experience mine tours again. So yeah, we're not probably going to get many rides in today.
And we want to look for Todd again.
Oh, you can look for Todd in there. You probably won't notice him because he's got a gas. They'll have gas masks on. But yeah, we're going to go through burial grounds after this, aren't we?
Imagine if Todd's the sheriff.
He could be, yeah. You never know. But yeah, hopefully we'll get a couple of night rides in. Maybe on the Smiler again, because we had a great ride on that last time, didn't we, in the dark? And Wicker Man in the dark's always good, isn't it? So yeah, let's go Altonville mine tours. So yeah, we've just bought our tickets for mine tours. One thing I've noticed, you can't buy single tickets on the app. You can buy single tickets on the app, but you can't apply your pass holder discount, which I think is a bit disappointing. So yeah, that's something Alton Towers need to look at, I think. So yeah, we've just been to guest services and we're served by a lovely, lovely man in there, weren't we? So yeah, so we've got our tickets and we're going to head down there. Let's go.
Inside, you will encounter dark, confined spaces, strong lighting, and loud noises. This maze is not suitable for those who are pregnant, claustrophobic, those who have epilepsy, asthma, heart conditions, or those of nervous disposition. Inside, they may touch you, but you are not permitted to touch them. Those who do
They can touch you. Oh yeah, Holly. They brought touching back in all the mazes here this year. You're allowed to. They're allowed to touch you. Chainsaw, Holly. So we just come out of Altonville mine tours, Tiny's Revenge. How was it?
Amazing, because we saw Todd.
Yeah, you saw Todd, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was the sheriff at the end, wasn't he? He pointed his gun in your face and said, "What are you doing here?" Yeah, really, really good maze that is, to be honest. And it is really refreshed from last year.
Yeah.
The start's amazing. Spoilers, there's at the start you get the sheriff sort of telling you all about the story and about Tiny, about the skin snatchers, don't you?
And
then
Todd
Tiny
was one of the missing ones.
Yeah, and Tiny's not been captured. And then yeah, there's like a missing persons board, isn't there? And there was a picture of Todd on there, wasn't there? And yeah, there's some teenagers that are missing. And then all of a sudden the lights go out, don't they? And then the sheriff's dead and Tiny comes in. And yeah, you basically then walk through. You keep seeing Tiny with his gas mask on, don't you, throughout, but then you see a lot of the teenagers that are missing throughout there, and they're all like trying to ask you to help them. One of the girls grabbed my leg. She was on the floor. She said, "Don't leave me," and she grabbed my leg. And then yeah, at the end, obviously, you come out to the chainsaw, which is good, isn't it?
Which isn't.
He cornered us, didn't he? This time we were stuck in the corner.
But I'm never really scared because it doesn't move.
No, you're not scared.
How do they make the noise there?
Well, because it still revs. It's a proper petrol chainsaw, but yeah, they just disconnect the chain. So, but yeah, I would say that's probably my favourite maze. That and Darkest Depths this year, to be honest. But yeah. Oh, and Daz Games, I suppose. Daz Games is separate. But Daz Games is a decent addition as well. But yeah, we do love Tiny's Revenge, so yeah, really good. There they are. How was your run through Trick or Treat Town?
It was good.
Get lots of sweets?
I haven't counted them. I've had one.
12 bags, I bet. How many bags do you get, Darcy?
A lot.
A lot.
I've already had 2 packets.
You get about 12, don't you? What do you call a ghost in the fireplace? A toasty ghosty. No, it's not going down well. Oh, a little hump. Why do ghosts ride elevators? It raises their spirits.
You laughed before they laughed.
Yeah. I like, yeah.
How did the ghost make her eyes pop? Mascara. The delivery's poor, innit? Yeah. How does a ghost cry when he's sad? Boo-hoo. No.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm going to leave it there.
Are you at the Apollo soon?
No.
Is it the hotel?
Hotel. Oh. You can do a little show for us.
Maybe.
That is the show.
Jokes. Is that the show?
You've seen it all.
Okay.
I was practicing with you just then, but I didn't get any laughs or anything, so
It's alright.
I think I'm going to give up.
I've been called a tough crowd before. It's
I
alright.
can see why. Why do ghosts diet? So they can maintain their ghoulish figures. Hey! That's a laugh, that's a laugh. Successful. Seems the
They're getting paid to
dreadlock man didn't like my jokes.
You laughed at a couple of them.
Yeah, I think they were kind of forced laughs though, to be honest. He was
should've
just trying to
turned
make
around-
me feel
You should have
better.
turned around and said, this weekend's your last chance to, what was it, 4th or 5th, the last chance to ride Retro Squad.
Yeah.
You laugh then.
What are we doing now, Holly?
Jam.
Spin Jam, yeah. This will probably be our last ride on Spin Jam, maybe.
I'm here now.
You're nearly 1.5, yeah. That's a back row ride on Icon when we go to Pleasure Beach next. Finally get a back row ride on Icon. Yeah, let's go for a ride on Spin Jam. Hey Holly, how was Spin Jam?
It was fun.
Enjoy it.
It felt more forceful.
More forceful. I felt really loose in the seat.
Yeah.
Like, I was wobbling around. I said to Nathaniel, I think I'm going to fall out.
Me and Darcy, you know how it's a one-way thing?
Yeah.
It's really uncomfortable because we swing to the outside part and we're always like sticking to the inside part.
Yeah. I do like it. The Spin Jam is probably my favourite retro squad.
Yeah.
But yeah, that wasn't a very comfortable ride, I have to say. Yeah, it was a bit wobbly and scary. Where are we going now?
I don't really know.
No, I don't.
Where are we?
The park's just really busy, isn't it? So it's like, you don't really know what to do because you don't want to stand in a queue for 2 hours. Smiler's on 120 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just going to go and check out this contraption over here, aren't we, Holly?
Yeah.
See what it's all about. Wondering whether it may be some sort of accessible viewing platform for the fireworks, maybe? People in wheelchairs, so they've got like an elevated view. I don't know, there's like tanks underneath it, look, Holly. Well, there's like water tanks and stuff under there. Yeah, you see, I think this is the platform. So this will be a platform for people in wheelchairs, I would imagine. But I don't know what's actually inside that thing.
Maybe that's the small looking thing, I think.
Yeah, but you're behind a screen, so that's not good. If that's VIP, your view's obscured by the screen. I'm not really sure what it is. Yeah, let us know down below in the comments if you know what this is. I'm pretty sure this part here is like accessible viewing because it's a ramp. Look, it's a ramp all the way up, so that's definitely what that is.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know what the rest of it is. So yeah, they've got all the big structures up all around, look. You see them all?
Yeah.
So this is where they had all the screens on last year, isn't it? So this is all fireworks set up. So, oh, we've got a show starting, Holly.
Don't know what it is, but they seem pretty mad about it. God hates us, alright then, buckle up, but don't wear right in. Walk among these coals, busy cleansing my soul. Getting ready for the night, time for eternity. That you come in with me into the afterlife. This hell is better with you. We're burning up together, baby. That makes two. 'Cause the devil's wearing runner, my love's a little drama. This hell is better with you. When the stars align, then I'll be there. No will not fall. Someone is to be loved, and all I care about is you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. No, you care about the pain. On the fire and the rain. Just take me closer to you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. I'll be the actress starring in your bad dreams. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. I'll be the actress starring in your bad dreams.
In the dark, dark. Writers keep writing what they write somewhere another pretty vein just dies. I've got the scars from tomorrow and I wish you could see that you're the antidote to everything except for me. The constellation of tears on your lashes, but everything you love and burn the ashes. In the end, everything collides. My childhood spat back on the monster that you see. My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, fire.
Hey Holly, have you seen this? They replaced the Oktoberfest one with a Scarefest one. I don't know if did we see this last time?
Yes, I saw it.
Did we? I'm not sure we
No,
did.
they pop pumpkins.
It's cool. Oh yeah, and there's little pumpkins in there. What do you think to the 7 Deadly Sins show?
So bad.
Is that what it was called? 7 Deadly Sins? I think it was one.
That's Thorpe.
Oh, that's Thorpe Park. What's it called then?
What's it called?
What's the show called? Yeah. Ah, the Sin Bin. Not 7 Deadly
You
Sins.
just want to be at Thorpe Park.
It's 7 Deadly Sins of Thorpe Park, isn't it? It's quite a large train of people going into Burial Grounds, Holly. It wasn't like this last time, was it?
No. It's like
We just walked straight through last time. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what it's like when there's a lot of people going through. Here we go, Holly. Holly's vlogging on Darcy's phone. We are the Unchosen. Yeah, it's nice seeing it in the light, isn't
I
it?
don't like being at
The age of destruction.
I'm fine. Let's go down.
Holly, it has begun.
Come on.
Give yourself to the Wickerman.
I like the way hiding behind Holly does.
Is that what she's doing? She's styling it. I didn't notice. press the wicker
Burn
man.
for the wicker man, man. Don't you see it right there? You need to burn. This one, this one.
Uh-oh.
Joseph Ward, come to give yourself to the wicker man. Into the smoke room you go. Get in! Come on, Darcy.
There's nobody in this.
Come on, Darcy. Can't see anything in here. It's red.
I can see something. Smells like petrol. There's nobody there.
piggy helmet.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Yes, of course you can. We're very popular.
Oh, of course we are.
It must be because I look so good.
You're dashing, George.
I must look dashing.
Very dashing.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Thanks for inviting us to the parties.
That's all right.
Yes.
Also, you're supposed to be Henry Alton.
No, he's not.
I'm not.
Henry.
I'm a guest of
We're
Henry's.
guests.
I'm going to the party.
We've been invited.
Oh, so you're not Henry Alton?
No,
Oh.
I'm George.
George?
Georgie
I'm
Porgy.
a guest at the party.
Georgie
I need you
Porgy.
to go in
Yeah.
and find the butler and send me out a bottle of champagne.
Yes, for the toast.
Say it's
Oh,
for
for the
George.
toast.
He'll know who I
He'll
am.
know.
I'm very close friends with Henry.
Complimentary.
Is Emily invited to the party?
Yes,
Is she,
it's
or
her
is she
birthday
got
today.
to stay
she
in her
gets
room?
stayed in the attic
Oh.
It's the adults' party.
because children shouldn't be seen or heard.
Henry
Oh.
does a good cellar,
Not at a
you know.
party.
He
Does
has
he?
an excellent cellar.
Oh,
We
okay.
need to sample it right now.
Yes, are you going to get us
Go
champagne?
forth
Excellent.
and find us the
What do
champagne.
you think of the new characters down at the Curve?
It's very cool,
George and Susan.
but I think it should be the mum and
Oh,
dad.
well, I thought it was Henry.
Yeah.
Henry Alton, that's who I thought it was at first, but he said he's not, he's George. He's Henry's friend.
Yeah.
He's in the coal business. So the queue for Galactica was huge, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we've decided we're going to do that on the way out, aren't we? Because we go out the hotel exit, don't we? So we're going to
Rita.
yeah, we're going to do Rita. Holly's going to finally do Rita.
I want to do 13 while we're there.
We'll have a look what the queue's like, but we've only got a few rides to get in the dark, to be honest. And Lee's kind of given us fast tracks, hasn't it, for these few rides? So yeah, so we'll hopefully get on Rita. The fast track queue for Galactica was 50 minutes long.
Yeah.
Main queue was 70, which I think's a bit crazy. Fast track 50 minutes, but yeah. So hopefully Rita's not so bad. So yeah, let's go to Rita.
Yeah.
Hey Holly, how cool does the Dark Forest sign look? Looks cool, doesn't it? All lit up. We didn't come to Dark Forest last time we was at Scarefest, did we? And now it's chucking it down with rain, so it's going to be an uncomfortable ride on Rita. Let's go. Rita in the dark.
Keep your head back. Hold on tight. You must escape.
How was Rita?
It was fun, but very forceful.
It was forceful, wasn't it? The rain was splatting in your face, wasn't it? It was fast, very fast. I forgot how fast Rita is, to be honest, because you just don't let us ride it anymore, do you? But nice in the dark. Yeah, it was good. Look at this, Stacey, all the way around, couldn't you? Woohoo! I think I was making a lot of noise as well.
Yeah, I heard you.
Did you? You and Darcy weren't very loud. Where are we going to now?
Where are we?
Smiler. Yeah. We're going to go for a ride on Smiler in the dark. The last night ride we had on Smiler was really good, wasn't it? Really, really nice and smooth ride. So fingers crossed it's like that again. Yeah, let's go, Smiler.
Yay.
How awesome do the towers? Enter the correction block on it. We don't normally come in here, do we? Normally do the single rider, don't we? So we've got all the effects on in here. What do you think to the correction block on it? It's cool, isn't it? Yeah, because we normally do single rider, we don't normally see this, but how was your ride on Smiler?
It was alright.
Alright? Rough?
A
A little bit. It was quite smooth for us. We were on back row. You rode with Darcy, didn't you, on row 3? But it's still nice to ride it in the dark, isn't it? It's quite special in the dark. Talking in the dark, you can't even see us now. We've come out of there and it's completely pitch black. So where are we going to now? We're going Wickerman first. We're going to ride Wickerman and then we'll do Burial Grounds. Can't actually see anything now, it's pitch black. So yeah, we'll see you over at Wickerman. Let's go.
It's time for the boo competition. Boo!
That boo wouldn't spook a squirrel. Forget about the boo anyways. It's all about a maniacal moan.
So let's go, Holly. Burial Grounds in the dark. Let's see if Mike likes it in the dark.
I won't be able to see the Wellingtons.
Here we go, Holly. The time is now. Let's go. Burial Grounds in the dark. Oh God. Whoa! That's it, made me jump.
Ungrateful little creatures. Off we go. Come on, man.
Present for the Wickham. Oh my gosh.
I think this one needs to go in front.
So the Wicker Man's been waiting for you, Holly. How was that, Holly? Good fun. They come for you quite a bit through there, didn't they? They kept coming at you, saying you were a present for the Wicker Man. Yeah, I got a few jumps in there as well, to be honest. It's definitely better in the dark. It's nice to go through in the light and see all the theming and stuff, but yeah, it's definitely a better experience in the dark for sure. Yeah. See, this is lit up really nice, Holly. Isn't it?
I remember this Lightopia scene.
What was here at Lightopia? Animals. Yeah, I don't think Lightopia's on this year. I think it's been cancelled. Can you? The dark.
And then she said,
Yes, I remember that
no,
very
Susan,
well.
don't put it there.
Yes.
That's naughty.
She did. And I thought that was quite rude of her. Oh, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! How are you?
One of the VIPs.
We are, yes.
Are you going to the party?
Are you going in?
We're going in, yeah. Is there plenty of champagne?
Yes, I was going to ask you, would you do me a favour?
Yeah, what's that?
When you go into the house,
Yeah?
would you get me a bottle of champagne?
Yes.
You need to find the butler and say, George needs a bottle of champagne.
George, okay.
Actually, George,
May that 2 bottles of champagne.
Yes, may that 2 bottles of champagne. Yes, I'll have 2 bottles of champagne.
Oh, you want 2, George?
Shall we just
Yeah.
bring a crate?
That's yes.
6 bottles of champagne.
Are you sure Henry's got that much champagne in there?
Oh yes, it's New Year's Eve.
Yes, and Henry
He'll
has
make
a
sure
good
there's
cellar.
lots of champagne in
I
there.
tell you, Susan, my head is spinning.
Have you had two?
I have had.
Oh, you can have a little bit
You
more.
need one for the toast.
I could do with toast, actually.
Yes.
You could do a toast and coffee. But firstly, we need to toast the new year. It's in a couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes? Oh, okay.
So we need the
Very
champagne.
soon.
Okay.
Are you excited? Have you got any New Year's resolutions?
I do, Susan.
You do?
To drink more.
No.
Yes.
That's not.
I like that.
I knew you would like it.
Yes, like
Yes.
you know what I'm
I
saying,
was
George.
practically
I need
sober
to think
last
about
year.
Well, I highly doubt that, George.
Think about what it
Happy
could be.
New Year.
Did you have any nice
Party
Christmas
with us.
presents?
To the party.
Did you? What did you get?
Why not?
She can't remember. She's hoping to see Emily at the party.
Oh, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Because she's about your age.
Yeah. Maybe you'll see Emily at the party.
Yes.
I've never seen Holly and Emily at the same time.
Lovely.
Oh, no.
Really? Funny that, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh my word!
What?
It's nearly midnight.
No! It
It
is?
is.
Already?
Everybody, we need to
Gather.
count in the new
Oh, we
year.
do.
It's nearly
Gather.
midnight.
I can't
In
see
a-
George.
Oh, 10, 9,
8, 7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. That's what years of champagne does to you.
My goodness. What's happened? Emily's in the window. that champagne.
Or not enough.
That's a good point, Holly. It is showing more of the story, isn't it? They're sort of developing it as the season goes along, and now they've brought them new actors in. And it is actually New Year's Eve now.
For fireworks.
How cool is this round here though, Holly? We wanted to see this in the dark, haven't we?
Stacey!
Extra creepy in the dark. How was your ride on Curse?
It was fun.
Nice ride?
Yeah.
Scary? It's not scary anymore for us, is it? Because it wasn't very hot, was it? In the Trommel Tunnel.
And I was just talking to Stacey that we break down in there, and then it suddenly breaks down.
Yeah, it did.
But obviously,
that's happened to us a few times now. And
but obviously, you still feel like you're moving. You feel like you're doing that.
Yeah, because the trommel still spins, doesn't it? But you're stopped in there. So when you turn your head, it's all a bit strange. Like feels like you're going upside down. Mike's now filming us, filming. Final ride of the day, Holly. Fucking fly.
We haven't done it for ages.
I know, and it's probably the last time we are going to do it because the retro squad's going. Well, I don't really like it. It's kind of uncomfy. But yeah, this is probably going to be the last ride of the day, and probably the last ride ever on Funk and Fly. So that's the end of our day at Alton Towers. How was your ride on Funk and Fly first?
It was very good, but it made me very dizzy.
You were laughing a lot on there, weren't you?
Yeah. It like goes on to like straight mode, and then it gets a bit funny.
Yeah.
And then it starts racking, and then you go crazy.
I'd like to ride that on a fair, to be honest, and see how extreme it gets on a fair, because I think the retro squads rides here quite tame, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'd like to ride it on a fair. But overall, we've had a really good day, haven't we? Again. Yeah. We did Altonville mine tours again. That was cool. Really good maze. Saw Todd in there. That was cool. Spent the day with Myk and Stacey and coasting with the Joneses. Another night ride on Smiler. That was nice, wasn't it? So yeah, we had a real fun day. Watched a few of the shows. Not too impressed with the shows tonight this year.
Hansel was singing.
He was singing, wasn't he? Yeah.
He always does that.
Yeah, I think it's a similar show to last year. I think. Burial Grounds, awesome. Really love that addition, to be honest. And I really hope Alton Towers start adding more scare zones as the years go on as well.
I think they did Wicker Man as like a starter.
Yeah.
Because that really is like a starter.
Yeah, and it really works really well in that area, doesn't it? So yeah, we do love that. So yeah, more of that in these Alton Towers. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video.
13 one.
You what?
Not doing 13.
Oh, you won't do a 13 scare zone? That would be good. 13 scare zone in the dark forest. Oh yeah, we rode Rita as well. We got back on Rita, that was good. That was a wet ride on Rita. Galactica just going over. We've not managed to get on Galactica or Wicker Man today. But yeah, that's a shame.
I think it was the same because I wanted to go on Funk and Fly, so we don't really
But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Yay, bye.